Here's the thing. Most business owners are still using Google Chat like it's 2019 and it's costing them focus. Google just released a head-clearing feature that I've been desperate for. From self-destructing file links to a native Dropbox killer, Google is finally releasing the nice-to-haves we've wanted for years. Let's start with sharing permissions. Now, this is something that Google announced. Yeah, look at that. 2023. May 2023 is when they announced this. They just scored a self-goal there. I don't know what happened, but they announced it and then it just never really happened. Like they released it to the API, they never released it to the front end experience, which is kind of weird. They finally have switched this on. So if you want to share a file with someone and have that expire after a certain amount of time, boom, you can do that now inside your Google Drive or your Google Docs. I don't know, maybe they got a new product manager over at Workspace, but it is good to see some of these real nice to have features that people have wanted for a long time finally coming to Google Drive. Okay, next, a new web address for Google Chat. Now, you can now go to chat.google.com instead of mail.google.com/chat. Now, I thought you could always go to chat.google.com and it just redirected you, but here you go. They've made it better. Now, interestingly, update in February, we've encountered unexpected delays in this rollout. Please see the updated timeline. And it says in late February 2026. So they started it in December. In February, they're having problems and still rolling it out. I don't know what's going on there, but whatever, that's a minor one. Okay, schedule messages to be sent at a later time in Google Chat. This I love. This is very cool. I've not started using this yet. I wish I saw this before today because I don't like to annoy my team by sending them messages in the middle of the night. But sometimes I want to send a message just to like get it out of my head. Well, we can schedule sending messages now, which is pretty damn cool. I want to see if I can actually see this in the test. So here we go. Schedule send tomorrow 8 a.m., tomorrow 1 p.m., pick a custom time. Nice. Just like Gmail, you can pick a custom time to send your messages. Love, love, love that. Next up, you can migrate from Dropbox to Google Drive in the admin panel. Now, this is new. This I'm very curious about. I'm sure our team will be testing this to see how it works. We mostly use specialized tools when we're doing a migration, but sometimes we do use the Google tools because there are ways that this is useful. So yeah, pretty cool. Built-in, native, Dropbox migration. I don't know if anyone's still using Dropbox. I don't know, maybe sole operators, but love to know what you think of this. Try it out. Let me know in the comments. Forwarding messages in Google Chat. This one has been available for a little while. You've probably already seen it. But inside a chat, you can forward a message. And what I like about this is you can forward, it like captures the message and moves it to another room. In the past, if you forwarded something, people would have to see the original room and it was a little bit messy, but forwarding messages now works nicely inside of Google Chat. If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, itGenius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.